Direct evidences, digging inside the earth or volcanic eruptions. Indirect evidences, seismic waves. Direct sources, sedimentary rocks till 0.8 to 1.6 kilometers. Why are core densities high? Because of with increase in depth, weight and pressure also increases. Density doesn't increase with weight and pressure with its critical limit. Core must be made up of heavy metallic material, NiFe, nickel and iron. Why different materials are present in different layers? Due to the segregation of materials, earlier Earth was in liquid state when the heavy particles settled middle and lighter in upper side. Concentric layers are distinguished in terms of temperature, compensity and density. Heat radiation, conduction and magma chamber convection. After every 32 meters, digging temperature rises by 1 degree Celsius but only till 100 kilometers. 48 kilometer digging, 1200 degrees Celsius magma. Oceanic crust, seabed is equal to 0 degree Celsius after 5 kilometer, 1500 degrees Celsius. Mantle and outer core, 2900 degrees Celsius to 3700 degrees Celsius. Between outer and inner core, 4300 degrees Celsius. Average density 5.5 gram centimeter cube. Crust is 2 oceanic and continental. Oceanic is denser and it is basalt nature, sima and magnesium, silicon and magnesium. And continental crust, granite, sial, silicon and aluminium. It is acidic and it is basic. Mantle, upper and lower, solid, magnesium, viscous. Outer core is liquid, core is solid, which is made up of nickel and iron. When two large blocks of earth slides each other with pressure and forms friction, and friction comes and due to this waves generated. ये waves generate करने का method है. 3 types of waves: primary, secondary, seismic. Primary waves similar to the sound waves, they travel in the medium of compression and rarefaction. पहले पास है, फिर दूर है, फिर पास है, फिर दूर होगी. And are longitudinal compressional waves. Particles move parallel to each other, high frequency and short wavelength, travel in solid and liquid. Secondary waves, it is also called transferred waves. Particles move perpendicular to wave, have high frequency, short wavelength, don't pass through liquid. Surface waves, waves which move after reaching epicenter. Body waves, waves which travel from focus to the. Yes, surface waves comes after body waves, have low frequency, long wave. There are 2 types of surface waves, raylight and long waves. Raylight waves have elliptical movement anti-clockwise. Love waves, zigzag movement. Seismic waves, they are light waves, travel in straight line. And whenever the seismic wave doesn't reach and travel to this is called shadow zone. Both primary and secondary waves have shadow zones. Seismic topography, studying different sections of the earth. 3 types of core: projectile outwards, have depression, simple and uniform. Simple and uniform is normal one. Projectile outward is this one, have depression is this one. Seismograph analyze hundreds of seismic waves as they pass through the earth. Topography gives the temperature map of earth. Why places not at fault gets damaged? Seismic waves carry energy from an earthquake away from focus through earth interior and across the surface. Body waves travel from focus through the earth. Important. जो एल्फ्रेड वेगनर थे उन्होंने कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट थ्योरी बताई थी, जिसमें पहले था जिक्सॉ फिट ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंटल, पहले जो पूरा ये गोंडवाना लैंड था सब अटैच था. इसके एविडेंसेस क्या थे? दे आर कनेक्टेड इन digging of land. People found remains of Mesosaurus, a freshwater reptile. It can't fly or anything. This proves early continentals were connected. Fossil remains. Mountains were found fast and were in combined range when convergence took place. Similarity of mountain and geological. Glacier station. Whenever glacier moves above rocks, it forms some striation scratches which are found in North-South America. Similarly, bituminous coal formed only by suppressing evergreen forest. Till today, these coals are found in high altitude. Russia, America is high altitude. Dense forest can't grow, so it proves early continents are connected. Continents are made up of shale and ocean sandmass. Continents are flying over oceans without friction, reason gravitational force and tidal force toward west towards equator. Earlier there was only one continent, that is Pangaea. Then it split into Laurasia and Gondwana. Laurasia North America and Eurasia. इसमें बीच में जो डिवाइड करता था टेटीज सी. गोंडवाना साउथ अमेरिका, अंटार्कटिका एंड इंडिया. Radiometric dating of sediments and rocks. Radioactive material emits emission and they become stable, helps in identifying age of rocks. Ocean floor age is less than 200 million years ago. Sea floor spreading. Oceans are continuously regenerating. That means submersion and emergence are continuously evidences. Earthquake, volcanic eruption and mid-oceanic ridges. Sediments were more than ridges and they are as the distance. Age of sediments is more than with distance, increases with distance. Normal, reversal and mobiles are found in equal distances. Paleomagnetism due to basalt and granite. Then ये मेजर प्लेट्स हैं, ये माइनर प्लेट्स हैं. फिर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ मूवमेंट होता है. डाइवर्जेंट प्लेट्स, इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज कंस्ट्रक्टिव बाउंड्रीज. In continental crust, if diversion occurs, then magma which is coming from fractures the crust and forms rift valley. Continental further moved apart, an area will be covered by sea. Example, East Africa rift valley. This is the diagram. And then convergent plate, which is also known as destructive plate, oceanic plate and continental plate. Andes mountain, they are formed by the conversion. It becomes converted, magma comes out and volcanic eruptions occur. The oceanic crust denser gets submerged by converging into the continent lighter. Then this portion which gets inside mantle 4 to 5 km becomes lava and comes out, forms molten lava. Ocean and ocean plates, here older ocean is denser and gets submerged. Continental and continental, where heavier plate goes below. Transform plate, that slides over each other. Then there are 2 plates which get slides when each other due to the friction across the earthquake comes frequently. Pacific ring of fire or Benioff zone. Tsunamis, earthquake, volcano are prone to this area due to divergent, convergent and transform boundary movement found near Japan, North America, etc. This shows Pacific Ocean is reducing.